Are you guys stuck constantly fighting trend days? I'm going to show you two quick tips to identify trend days in the market so you're not looking at them thinking, oh my God, it's over, it's over. I got to keep fading this thing and getting shut out. So, number one, balances, right? If we look at value on a composite profile here, like the volume profile, when we have these big blocks that we're entering from the downside to the upside, meaning that we're moving above those areas, I'm going to be looking for that trend expansion to the other side of that balance. So we haven't seen this major balance that I've outlined over here in quite some time. So once we actually start the expansion, I want to trend follow and don't want to constantly be shorting this thing until we get to the top band of that auction extreme. Now, even then, I probably don't really want to short this thing. I want to stay on trend. So if we're entering into balances, great. Number two, if we take a look at the individual profile, right, the individual volume profile, if we have long extended profiles that are very thin with these very thin red spots, once we actually start moving above those areas into those thin red spots, right, what happens with the market is that we have a very easy path to the upside swing because this is most likely not the strongest of volume regardless of the massive move because it's super thin. So when we have a combination of those two, we most likely have a trend day in our midst, and it's better to just stay on trend than anything. So if you want to understand more about this and how to actually get into those trend trade moves, like this, for instance, here, when we have the expansion into the balance, we have a very nice piece of absorption over here for the long side continuation, right? These trade identifications and the execution, we'll be teaching everything live in our new futures course that's running right now when we're jumping right into this execution aspect going into the end of the year, which comes in at a perfect time because we got this Black Friday deal for you guys, 30% off the course, any bundle at TradePro Academy. So you can watch us how we do this live and how to break down the exercises in an interactive way. So I'll see you guys there and join our live stream at tradeproacademy.com.